In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a report of cost centers in profit and loss in Zoho Books. Let's dive right in and break this down into easy-to-follow steps to help you achieve this seamlessly. To begin, we'll start by creating reporting tags for your cost centers. First, navigate to the Settings section within your Zoho Books. You'll find this represented by a gear icon, usually located at the top right of your screen. Once you're there, look for the option labeled Reporting Tags and click on it. This is where you'll define your cost centers, which will enable you to track expenses and revenue more efficiently within your profit and loss statements. Next, you'll need to create a new tag. Click on the New Tag button, and you'll be prompted to enter a name for your cost center. This could be something like Marketing Department or any other segment of your business you wish to track. After typing in the name, make sure to save the new tag. If your business has multiple cost centers, repeat this process for each one to ensure comprehensive tracking across all areas. Now that you've set up your reporting tags, it's time to apply these tags to your transactions. When you're creating any type of financial transaction, be it invoices, bills, or journal entries, you'll need to assign the appropriate reporting tag to each individual item line within that transaction. This is crucial because it directly links each expense or revenue line to a specific cost center. Zoho Books also gives you the flexibility to select either single or multiple tags for each transaction line item, allowing for more granular tracking when necessary. Once the tags are applied consistently to your transactions, the next step is generating and filtering your profit and loss report. Navigate to your Reports section, find the profit and loss report, and open it. In this section, you can utilize the tagging system you've set up to filter the report by specific cost centers. This is helpful to identify which areas of your business are the most profitable, or conversely, where the costs might be exceeding revenue. Keep in mind that these tags provide a clearer view of how different segments of your business are performing financially. By following these steps, you'll benefit from a detailed breakdown of your cost centers within your profit and loss report, optimizing financial analysis in your business. This efficient tagging and filtering system allow for more accurate financial planning and decision-making. That's all for today's guide on how to get a report of cost centers in profit and loss in Zoho Books. I hope you found this instructional breakdown helpful and easy to follow. Remember, keeping your financial tracking detailed and organized is key to understanding your business's health and growth. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.